In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add design in FlutterFlow App Builder 2026, step by step. To get started, go to FlutterFlow and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create New Project. From there, you can choose a blank project if you want to build everything from scratch, or you can start with a template if you want a faster setup. After that, enter your project name and create the project. This gives you a clean workspace where you can begin designing your app. Next, open the Pages panel. This is where you organize the different screens of your app. Click Add Page, then create the pages you need, such as a welcome page, login page, home page, profile page, and settings page. Even if your app is simple, setting up your pages early makes the design process much smoother because you'll have a clear structure to work with. Once your pages are ready, open the widget panel and begin building your layout. Drag layout widgets onto the canvas, such as column, row, container, stack, and list view. These widgets form the foundation of your screen design. As you place them, arrange them carefully to create the overall page structure. A good layout helps everything look clean and organized before you start adding visual details. After that, add your UI elements. Drag and drop widgets like text, buttons, images, icons, text fields, and cards. Place them exactly where you want them to appear on the page. This is the stage where your app starts to look like a real product instead of just a wireframe, so take your time with spacing and alignment. Now customize the design. Change colors and fonts to match the style you want. Adjust padding, margins, and spacing so the interface feels balanced and easy to read. You can also add rounded corners, shadows, and borders to give elements more depth and polish. Try to apply a consistent theme across the entire app so every page feels connected. Next, add navigation. Select a button or menu item, open the Actions panel, and add a Navigate to Action. Then choose the destination page. This allows users to move through your app naturally, so it's important to connect the right elements to the right screens. After that, make your design responsive by previewing the app on different screen sizes. Adjust layouts for mobile, tablet, and desktop, and use responsive widgets and constraints where needed so the design stays usable across devices. Finally, click Run or Preview to test the layout and navigation. Make any needed design improvements, then save your project. When you're ready, build your app for Android, iOS, or web, and continue refining the design before publishing.